Hey guys, it's Tamisha with Toolbox Divas, and I was sick and tired of seeing scuff marks on my stair runners. So, I really wanted to do this vinyl treatment on my stairs, but I didn't want to pay the cost of the vinyl decals. So I decided I'd try and make it using my Cricut. So this isn't exactly a tutorial on how to use the Cricut, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I did. So within the Cricut design space, you have access to a whole host of designs and patterns. And I found this Moroccan tile pattern that I absolutely love. And I'll have details to the post, the written post, with the link to this in the Cricut Design Center down in the description. But using a 24 by 12 mat, I'm able to create 3 consecutive tiles that match the exact height of my stair risers. So I cut the vinyl strips out wide enough and long enough so that I can actually load them to my Cricut and cut the tile pattern. So the number of tiles required depends on the number of stairs that you have and the height of your actual risers. You want to make sure that the vinyl tiles match the height of the stairs risers. And once everything is cut, then you want to weed out the empty spaces. So for this project, it's very important to use transfer tape because of all the intricate details in the tile. The transfer tape will make it possible so that you can easily transfer the vinyl tile to the actual stair riser. Once you've weeded out the excess areas within the actual tile pattern, use a scraper to apply the transfer tape directly to the vinyl so that it adheres to the back of the transfer tape. So when applying the vinyl to the stair, a scraper, a rotary, and an X-Acto knife come in very handy. And be careful not to allow the transfer tape to touch, because when it does, it will stick to each other. But take your time and apply the tile similar to how you would apply wallpaper to the actual stair risers. And this process, knee pads or a pillow come in very handy. And feel free to get creative with the tile pattern that you decide to go with. Hey baby. For my stairs, I used about 8 rolls of vinyl. Often on Cricut.com, you can find basic vinyl, removable vinyl, on sale for about $4 or less. Now this whole process took a little longer than I expected with the different tiles and lining it up, but when it was done, oh my gosh, y'all, I absolutely loved it. I'm like, why did I do this sooner? I'm thinking I might change out the color to match the season. Well, I hope you like this tutorial. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. And don't be shy. Follow us at Toolbox Divas on Facebook and Instagram. All right, y'all. Till next time.